How to set the time zone in Django. In my Django project settings.py file, I have this line. But I want my app to run in UTC+2 time zone, so I changed it to. It gives the error value error column incorrect time zone setting column UTC+2. What is the correct way of doing this? Thanks.
Here is the list of valid time zones. This URL you can use for UTC plus 2 o'clock.
To get a set of all valid time zone names, IDs, from the TZ database, you could use pytz module in Python.
Choose a valid time zone from the TSINFO database. They tend to take the form BG Africa to Gabon and Ust Eastern. Find the one which matches the city nearest you, or the one which is your time zone, then set your value of time_zone to match.
Valid time zone values are based on the TZ, time zone, database used by Linux and other Unix systems. The values are strings, XSD, string, in the form area/location, in which area is a continent or ocean name. Area currently includes Africa, America, both North America and South America, Antarctica, Arctic, Asia, Atlantic, Australia, Europe, etc. Administrative zone. For example, etc/UTC represents Coordinated Universal Time, Indian, Pacific. Location is the city, island, or other regional name. The zone names and output abbreviations adhere to POSIX, Portable Operating System Interface, Unix conventions, which uses positive plus symbol signs west of Greenwich and negative minus symbol signs east of Greenwich, which is the opposite of what is generally expected. For example, etc/GMT+4 corresponds to 4 hours behind UTC, that is, west of Greenwich, rather than 4 hours ahead of UTC, Coordinated Universal Time, east of Greenwich. Here is a list all valid time zones. You can change time zone in your settings.py as follows.
This works just fine for me. I'm still testing the app locally. In settings.py file type, #use your own time_zone. This URL.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.